Top 18 features like a strong alarm, altimeter, barometer and compass. Essential for adventure, this watch has dual times. Santosh sports watches versatile and durable. Santosh sports watches are great for running, swimming, cycling and many more features. Water resistant depth is 30 feet, weight is 2.26 ounces. Top 17 band width 24 millimeters, case diameter 45 millimeters, case thickness 14 millimeters, excellent timepiece. Top 16 black dial enhanced by luminous black hands, black ceramic case with a black NATO textile band, automatic movement, water resistant depth is 60 meters, fixed bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, solid case black tank glass secured on crown. Top 15 functions, hours, minutes, small seconds, date, power reserve 3 days, dial intermediate tap, anti-reflective sapphire, display tap, analog clasp buckle, water resistant depth is 300 meters.
EcoDrive draws power from a single source. Light. Any light. Not only bright sunshine, but cloudy days, or even artificial light. EcoDrive converts light into electrical energy, which is stored in a rechargeable power cell, driving the motor.
Top 13 Japanese quartz movement watch, case diameter 47 millimeters, mineral crystal watch, rubber case with rubber band. Top 12 shock resistant 200 meter water resistant watch, EL backlight with afterglow, flash alert flashes with buzzer dead sounds for alarms. Top 11 shock resistant, mud resistant, carbon core god structure, water resistant to 200 meters, olive green resin band, carbon and resin case, new bright double LED light, top 10 Omni unidirectional exo stainless steel antenna with GPS satellite reception. Fitness training features like VO2 Max and Recovery Advisor. Outdoor navigation features like 3-axis compass. Altimeter and barometer, track back and sight and go. Battery life up to 20 hours and GPS training mode up to 6 weeks and watch mode. Top 9. Shock resistant, magnetic resistant watch. Water resistant depth is 200 meters. Auto LED light with afterglow, world time. 4 daily alarms and 1 snooze alarm, hourly time signal. Countdown timer, full auto calendar. Approximate battery life is 2 years. Top 8. Solar powered digital watch and stainless steel with multiple displays. Red contrast and texture boosters. Pulse movement with analog display. Protective manual crystal dial window. Features digital compass, altimeter, barometer, thermometer and many more. Water resistant to 200 meters, suitable for recreational scuba diving. Top 7. Battery life up to 12 hours and training mode. Steel bezel, manner crystal glass and outdoor grade color touch screen. Strong and sleek design with 100 meter water resistant depth. GPS route navigation function. Support for over 80 supports with racing and interval use. Top 6. Black dial enhanced by luminous rhodium plated skeleton hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a black rubber band. Automatic movement, water resistant depth is 300 meters. Unidirectional rotating bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal watch.
My name's Hans de Winshaw, and I'm a wildlife filmmaker. Today, I'm going to one of South Africa's most spectacular canyons, the third largest in the world, to take pictures for my up-and-coming film. It'll be the first time I hike this canyon, so a friend has recommended I follow a specific route. Because I'm not familiar with the area, I'm using my ProTrek and ProTrek Connect app. As I take photos on the way with my smartphone, the application automatically summarizes the location points, plots them on a route, and stores my photos. I'll be able to review the route later.
Top 4. Water resistant depth is 200 meters. Chronograph display watch. Tough solar power function. Multi-band 6 atomic 10 keeping function. Duplex LCD display watch. It's a great for adventure.
The Suunto Traverse Alpha is a powerful GPS watch, purpose-built for your hunting and angling needs. The Alpha introduces automatic shot detection for an entirely new way to record your hunt. Using Suunto's online mapping platform, you can accurately track shots and waypoints for your next outing. The watch is fitted with sunrise and sunset alerts, a moon phase calendar, and point-of-interest markers specific to hunting and fishing, integrated GPS and GLONASS route navigation. The barometric pressure graph and storm alarms will help you follow weather changes on the move. With the Suunto Traverse Alpha, you have the most advanced watch for hunters and anglers, inspiring and equipping you to
Top 2 includes built-in altimeter, barometer, compass and many more functions. GPS with 100 meter water resistance. One of the most competitive battery hours in the market. Case material polyamide. Top 1 variety of military and tactical features watch. 1.4-inch sunlight readable color display, heart rate monitor and pulse ox function, solar charged battery,